Introducing a new app for the Canton School District. It's everything Canton Seahawks right in your pocket. Here's the home screen. Tap the 3 horizontal bars on the lower left to see all the main menu items. To turn on push notifications, push Settings, select Notification Preferences, and allow notifications. Tap Subscriptions to subscribe to each school. Definitely choose District. The Events section shows a list of events throughout the school. Use this button to add an event to your calendar. Tap here to share the event with friends and family. The feed is where you will find updates from administration on what's going on throughout the school, whether that is celebrating a student's success or reminding everyone of an upcoming deadline. Search Canton SD School District 41-1 in the App Store or Play Store to download the app for yourself. It's everything Canton Seahawks right in your pocket. Soar, Seahawks. Soar.